we're going to take a look at the options in Finastra Pro. The options button is down on the bottom, and you can see the little button is here. And we're going to take a look at these three items. I'll start with the common options, which is the first tab. You can see we've got two more tabs. We'll go through common first. Basically, the first one is to select the location of your web service. So it depends where you are. We run in the USA and in the EU. Under View Settings, we've got a couple of options here. We have this side expander in Finastra Pro, which you can open or close. That obviously has it expanded when not opening. This button here, or this checkbox, allows Finastra Pro to stay on top of all other windows, which might be useful if you have multiple screens or a lot of different tabs running, a lot of different apps running. The third checkbox enables view rotation, and basically when you go through the facade manager and select a different facade, it'll actually rotate the view so that that facade is always facing you. It can be useful, but obviously you can decide all of these. The last section to look at here is debug settings. Basically, as Finastra Pro works, it makes a log of what's happening and of what's being done, and potentially it also logs any errors or exceptions. So if you find that a model that you're using causes exceptions, causes Finastra Pro to close unexpectedly, then it's bigger to check this box, and basically it enables full logging. There is also a button here to send a report through to us, and if we click that button, you can see we've got a username, it needs email address and company name if you would like to put that in, and a description of the problem. And when you send this, it will send your report as well as our log file through to us, so we can take a look and see what's happened. The last button here is to clear the local database. So we do have a small database sitting on your machine, which we use to kind of speed things up a bit and not be relying too much on web service calls. And if you press this button, you'll get a warning message saying, would you like to clear Finastra Pro's local cache? Let's say yes, and you can see that my cache has been cleared. So yeah, if anything starts going wrong, you're seeing some strange values pop up or something like that, that's an option worth checking out, and if there's still a problem, you can obviously get in touch with us or send a report through to us.